What's up, guys? So it's been about 10 days since I've been able to take Sparky out, and I've been really anxious to get him up in the air. So I thought, it was really sunny and pretty out today, Saturday morning, and so I thought I'd launch him out of my backyard and just have some fun around the house. And so I'm out here taking some video of this new apartment complex being built, and I experienced my first failure. I've had Sparky for about 6 months and never had much of a problem until today, and it really kind of freaked me out. As you can see, everything's fine right now. Beautiful complex getting built, but things go horribly wrong here in just a minute. Kind of sucks. Makes me a little more nervous to get out and go flying, but here it comes. So this is where things start going wrong. It's been a nice flight. I've actually had it out for quite a while. All of a sudden I get an IMU failure notice, and then things start going really bad. I actually at this point tried to bring it in, and this is what happened. So totally sped up. I have no control here. There's me right there freaking out. Now it's going backwards. Complete loss of control. I'm trying to get it down, trying to do something, and it's just not responding to anything. So here I thought I had a little control. I was getting it down, and all of a sudden it spins around, and here comes Mr. Tree, and kabooey! There I am, landed into the tree. Zero control. It's on the ground. Thankfully, it's on the ground. I'm not stuck in the tree. Nothing really happened except for I broke a propeller, and again, thankfully it was on the tree. But please check your IMU calibration before you take this thing up in the air. I forgot to do that, and this is what happened. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.